What's up, guys? Mikkel here, and today we're getting into USDC coin and Hedera. You guys have been blowing up the channel recently, so make sure to keep subscribing. It means a lot and really helps me out. The more you guys like my videos and subscribe to the channel, the more I'm going to be able to put them out and do this full time. So thank you so much, and let's jump right into this. So the big news coming out today, and I think it's important to look at this news on days like today because the markets have been pretty ugly, but focusing on the fundamentals can really make you realize that nothing's changing in the long run. Really, these projects are just advancing faster and faster, and I really do think over the next 5 years we're going to have a ton of runway to go. So let's look at this. The USDC stablecoin is testing on Hedera. This is massive because if you don't know about Hedera, make sure you check out some of my other videos on it. But as far as what I have to say about Hedera, it's essentially one of the most efficient blockchains around right now. It's actually technically not a blockchain. They use something called DAG and Hashgraph, but you can just look at the partners and get a sense for really the caliber of the project it is. I'm not going to jump too much into it in this video, but they're working with Google, Boeing, and Chainlink. This list is one of the most impressive around. IBM, Standard Bank. Now you just add Circle and USDC to this list, and Hedera's list of partners and governing bodies is just increasing at a tremendous rate and just getting more and more impressive as time goes by. I think USDC is a very critical integration, and I'm starting to see a trend recently where it kind of looks like, because it looks like USDC is going to be a government regulated and kind of have the safe haven of the US government. It seems like Circle's willing to go through the path to agree to make USDC whatever they need to call it to give it the okay by regulators. And it seems to me like a lot of projects are looking to say, look, if you're going to give USDC the okay, meaning the government, they'll bring it onto their chain and adopt it, because at certain point it's just the easiest way to go. And it looks like Hedera is more than welcome to bring the USDC coin into their ecosystem. If you guys are more of Hedera fans, I think you should also know about another investment that I've been checking out recently, and I think it has tremendous potential in the future, and is actually a play that I don't see a lot of people in crypto talking about, which is actually investing in Circle the company. I think Circle the company is at a pretty interesting point where there's a very clear divide in traditional finance and crypto, where a lot of crypto investors won't touch stocks, and a lot of stock investors won't touch crypto, and the people who are in stocks who also touch crypto don't really know anything about crypto. I actually study them both in depth pretty well, and that's why Circle has kind of been a company that I've been able to understand very easily and see a significant amount of value in the company and for it going forward in the future. Circle's going public at through a SPAC at a valuation of $3 to $5 billion, and they're looking to do around $115 million in revenue this year. In terms of revenue to the market cap, this seems like a pretty fair valuation to me, and I have seen way worse in the SPAC industry for way less innovative companies. For those of you coming to this video for HBAR, you probably already know how critical USDC is to the crypto infrastructure. And with Circle being the company essentially backing the USDC coin, they're going to be a very critical company in the future. Circle projects that they'll have around $886 million in revenue by 2023. I think if they were to achieve this, they could easily see valuations in the 20 to 30 billions, which is close to a 5 to 10x from the value the SPAC will trade at. I really think USDC coin will surpass Tether in the years to come. USDC is going to be a regulated on and off ramps for really almost everyone to get into the crypto industry, but specifically big industry, financial institutions. None of them are going to want to touch Tether. That's just the way it goes. USDC is going to be kind of the government chosen and industry chosen stablecoin for probably the entire world. I want to point out that the USDC market cap is expanding rapidly because of how many people are coming into crypto right now, and you have $30 billion worth of assets being managed by a $3 to $5 billion company. Circle is going to be able to leverage these assets in the future, and I just think Circle is a great infrastructure play in the growing crypto economy. The last thing I want to get into is the USDC coin is really being widely adopted by all kinds of different blockchains. We can see that it's currently issued on Ethereum, Algorand, Solana, Stellar, and Tron. They're now testing on Hedera, which I think is extremely bullish for both companies. And I would not be surprised if they were to add the USDC coin to the Ripple blockchain in the future using the hooks and the side chains. Yeah, I think this is very bullish for both companies, HBAR and Circle and the USDC coin. I think it's just another great partner to add to HBAR's list. But I also think it's starting to really show the cards of Circle and the USDC and how integrated they're going to be on almost every single blockchain. I think this is really cool because they're one of the only projects almost similar to Quant in that they're really looking to tackle interoperability and spread across all the different ecosystems, and it's really like picking a winner that wins when everyone wins. I think USDC is going to be a critical infrastructure play, and with their only massive competition being something like Tether, I don't see this as being very good competition. I think as the market continues to grow, not only will USDC and Circle take market cap in an increasing industry, but I think a lot of the market cap of Tether and other less regulated stablecoins will end up flowing into Circle and USDC. Anyway, guys, for the people who come to my videos for HBAR, I hope you found this interesting. This is something I'm watching. I already built out a position back here, but if it drops again, I'm looking to buy some more, and I'm really just waiting to hear the merger and get some more news on this before I go in more heavy. But I really do love Circle, and I think it's a great investment for the years to come. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it down below and keep subscribing to the channel. It helps me out so much. And for now, Mikkel out.